Hello! Day 3 of the Apnea Festival has now started. Yesterday and the day before we've seen some very interesting and inspiring shows, and today we hope to see some more. We're going to go around and ask some people what they thought about the show, some of the shows that they saw today. Stay tuned.
I've seen just an hour ago Corneille at theatre. It was very good. Yeah, powerful. I liked it.
I really expected to see young people who are really nuanced in the network, and to really see new presentations and really young people who are doing theater and dance and the mixture of all this arts.
What's your involvement in this festival?
In this festival, I'm part of Enrique Iglesias, which is a performance collective, and we did a show yesterday. Wir kommen nicht aus dem Showbiz, auch wenn man das vielleicht denken könnte. That's the name of our performance, and every day is different. Every performance is very different. I think that's the most interesting thing so far, that the performances are so different from each other. I heard from friends that went to this festival before. They told me that that's the nice thing about Art Now, that they invite very different groups and very different people. So that's what I heard, and it's very the same thing that they told me. So it's nice.
Let's talk about your performance yesterday. How was it? The audience, the feeling about it?
It was very nice. I liked it that it was so crowded, and we had the whole day to set up everything, and that was very, very nice that everyone was there and helping us. And people are very friendly, and they care for you as an artist, I think, and they really, you have the feeling that they really want you to be here, and they want you to perform, and they're very interested in your work, and that's very, I think it's special.